In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in TradingView. We'll walk through how to open the trading panel, where to find the trading button, and how to start placing orders, all directly from your TradingView chart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can place trades more confidently from this platform. First, make sure you're on a chart in TradingView. Once your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for a small arrow or handle that indicates a hidden panel. This is usually a thin bar with a little arrow pointing upward. Click on that arrow to expand the lower panel. This is where TradingView keeps tools like the trading panel, alerts, and other features, and it's the main place where you'll access your broker connection. When the panel opens, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Trade or Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on that. If this is your first time here, TradingView may ask you to connect a broker or sign in to a paper trading account. Follow any prompts on screen to connect your account so the platform knows where to send your orders. Once the trading panel is active and your broker or paper trading account is connected, you're ready to start trading. You'll typically see options to buy or sell, along with fields for order type, quantity, and price. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Even though it's tempting to click quickly, it's important to understand what each box does so you don't submit an order by mistake. You can also access trading tools from the top of the chart. In the upper right area, there is often a quick trade button next to the symbol and price. Clicking this gives you a faster way to open the order ticket directly from the chart view, without having to reopen the lower panel every time. When you're ready to create an order, use the on-screen prompts in the order ticket. Choose whether you're buying or selling, select your order type, and set your quantity. If the ticket allows, you can also set a stop loss and take profit right away for better risk management. Before you confirm, double check the symbol, direction, and size of your trade. When everything looks correct, click the button to place the order, and TradingView will send it through your connected broker or paper trading account.